Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Shredded chicken, cream cheese, butter, onion, all mixed together in a crescent roll. That sounds delicious. We call it chicken shit. When my kids were younger, we called it chicken stuff. But here's what you're gonna need to make it. It's absolutely delicious. You're gonna need a roll of crescent rolls or crescent roll sheets, 1 block of Philadelphia cream cheese, 4 tablespoons of butter. I use Kerrygold, it's really good butter. A small onion, diced. 25 ounces of shredded chicken. Salt and pepper to taste. And we're probably going to use about a tablespoon of milk. Alrighty, so I have the chicken drained. Open and drain. We're just going to go ahead and get that in the pan. And we're going to kind of, there's chunks in here, so we're going to kind of shred this up just a little bit. So that's shredded good. So it'll shred more when we get the cream cheese ready. So 1 block of cream cheese. We have our small onion diced. And we have our 4 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to put just a little bit of salt in here. Like I said, salt and pepper to taste. I'm not a huge pepper person, so we're not going to use too much. And then, pretty much, we just mix this all together. Seems like I'm doing it the hard way here. My hands are clean. And you just want this mixed up real nice. There we are. Now we're going to get a cookie sheet. We're going to lay out our crescent rolls and we're going to put this in and wrap them. And we got our oven preheating to 350. Now that we get our cookie sheet out, we're going to unroll our crescent rolls. I think the most fun part about this is making them pop here. Unroll them. I'm only going to be using half. Actually, these are better to work with if you don't let them thaw too much. This is a large crescent roll right here. We're going to cut this in half. And basically, I want to stretch this, not super thin, but you know, thin enough that I can wrap it. So then now that I got it spread out on the pan, we're going to go ahead and put some chicken in there. And you just put a little bit of chicken. Just grab a clump, kind of put it in there. A little bit more on this one. You don't want to really overdo the chicken because the cream cheese in the oven really melts a lot. And then it gets really juicy and doesn't really allow the crescent roll to crisp up. So now we're just going to take this, and you can make this look fancy on top if you want. Kind of, you know, make a little twist here. But you just fold up the sides, make sure it's attached, pinch it together a little bit. And they're not the prettiest looking things. It's kind of why we call them chicken shit, because it's just a big blob. But man, are these delicious. So we're going to get these in the oven. Like I said, it's preheating. So we're going to put them on in there. Then you're going to cook these for about 15 minutes. But basically, you're going to judge how it's done by the outside of the crescent roll. You basically want this really golden brown. So let's get these in the oven. All right, here we go. In the oven for about 15 minutes. All right, so 15 minutes, and look at those. Nice and golden brown. We're going to go ahead and get those out of the oven and let them cool for a couple minutes, because those are napalm hot in the middle. All right, we got this guy on the plate. You see how it's nice and crispy and golden brown there? That's why we don't want to overstuff these with chicken, because that cream cheese will not allow this to get crispy like that. So let's cut this open. See, this is pretty hot yet. Oh yeah, see how juicy and creamy that is? So that's why you want, you know, some of this nice crispy outside with a little bit of the creamy inside. Take a look at that. All right, and as always, there's really only one thing left to do, and that's take a taste of this. Look at that. Wow. If you've never had these, you definitely should try them. You get that crispiness, the nice crispy taste of a crescent roll, plus the chicken and the cream cheese and butter all together with a little bit of onion. Man, that's good stuff. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you tuning in. Click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell. You'll get notifications when I post new videos. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day.